What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is another one of those GoPro talking update video things. So, today I'm actually going to a photo spot that I know of near my university that is very scenic. I haven't been there in a while, so figured might as well go check it out. And the drive there is pretty cool. It's all this kind of back road and whatnot. Anyway, just wanted to make a video here. I'm waiting on some parts. Waiting on my header and also my new wheels. So yes, I did order some new wheels. I don't want to tell you guys what they are yet because I want to wait to release that video. But here's a hint: they are JDM wheels. I did buy them from System Motorsports. So I think if people know what that is, they will have a good idea what I may have picked up. And I've also hinted in previous videos too, so definitely something I'm very excited about. I mean, definitely the last set of wheels for this car that I'm ever going to purchase. I've been through 5 different sets, 4 of which, I think 5 or 4 sets or 5 sets, and then 3 of those were the CR Kai style replicas. So finally branched off from that. Love the CR Kai look, but I think this suits it better. It's also one of my favorite wheels of all time, so it should be really cool. Yeah, I'm just going on a scenic drive here. The car is driving amazing since putting the stock header back on and also replacing the TGV, cleaning the throttle body, cleaned my air filter as well. I did the spark plugs a while back. I did both diff fluids, so kind of did a nice little refresh on this car, and it feels super solid. I drive it every day, commute to work. My commute is 50 miles one way, so I definitely get to test out, what I've done to this car, and yeah, it's been really good. So yeah, as of this video, we do have some new products over at KATANA Style. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen. We've got some slap stickers now, and also some circle stickers as well. Definitely very excited for this drop. We had a Memorial Day sale, so we got a good number of orders then, but we still have some products available. So yeah, guys, if you want to support me, support the channel, and also support the brand, feel free to pick up a sticker. As you guys know, you have your own code, YT20. I have this code exclusively for my YouTube supporters, so you guys can save 20% on your entire order. We do offer PayPal now as well, and also some cheaper shipping options for those in the United States. So if you guys want to pick up a sticker, help support me and support the channel, feel free to head to katanastyle.com. And yeah, guys, I try to fulfill orders as quick as I can, usually the day of, and then when I go home from work or something, I will get them all packed up, and then the next day I go out to the post office and drop it off. So I try my best to fulfill all the orders as quick as I can. So feel free to cop a sticker. And yeah, that ends this ad. It's really an ad if it's my own brand, I don't know. But anyway, I'm waiting till this gets a little more clear. I really want to rip this car down some nice back roads. Although it is a little hard when the car is slammed, kind of, because there's some random dips in the road and all that. I also have the AC on, so I'm losing a little bit of power right now, but figured I don't want some crazy wind noise while I'm talking, so I'm gonna have it on until I get a little closer. I definitely feel like it's because of the no more exhaust leak. That was definitely a big deterrent on how smooth the car really was. And yeah, definitely glad I was able to replace that. I'm anxiously waiting for the new header. I missed the rumble already. Like, this actually sounds pretty good with the R400, but you just can't beat that rumble, man. So I need that. I'm just waiting very patiently. Steven over at Infernal Fabrications did say my header should be shipping out, early next week. So definitely very excited for that. I have just gotta put it on. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. I'll put a video up for you guys about that as well. Again, you know, sometimes I like to do these videos here, kind of just update you guys what's going on in case you don't have any parts ready for installs or anything. You know, as the lockdown starts to ease up a little bit, hopefully I can start filming some, you know, car meet footage, and you know, once shows come back, and then we can show that to you guys as well. But that's right now, you know, everything's still slowly getting back into order here. So I believe before I get to this spot, there is some nice open roads. Hopefully I went the right way. I just remember going straight down this road for a while. So if this ain't it, then good thing there's GPS. I think we're actually there now, because okay, yeah, see, I remembered everything wrong. So we're actually at the spot, and it looks like there's cars there. So dang, man, I really wanted to use that spot to film, but apparently there's, I don't know what's going on here. Doing stuff. Okay, there's some kind of truck meet or something, or they park cars across the street, but I'm right where I want to shoot photos. They're probably fishing. But I guess we'll just do a nice driving video here for you guys. See, I'm passing a spot right now. They're probably going fishing. Yeah, it's alright. You know, I'll rip down these roads. I don't think there's any cops or anything, so I'll probably keep the windows up so I can talk. To rip down. See, I just turned crazy like 2 times, and holy crap, is either something rattles like crazy back there, or my tires just rub on the fender or something. So yeah, no more crazy driving, unfortunately, with this setup. You know, I want to take corners hard, but it's gonna end up damaging something. So I'm just gonna drive back probably to the school. I mean, I haven't really taken photos there in a while, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to take it easy on this road, because obviously I can't drive crazy anymore. That was kind of weird. You know, I haven't took any sharp turns in this in a long time, especially with this setup, because I already know like it's not gonna work. So you know, I'm ready to get back to a square setup, and I can go back to kind of doing spirited drives here and there. Oh Jesus! Yeah, the roads get kind of rough back here. I think that was the worst spot. I think it's over now. Well, you can't be too sure in a slam car. You can't just like go anywhere and hope the road is good. You definitely have to watch out a lot. But man, that was I'm sure you guys heard that, but okay, I guess I can't do that anymore. That sucks. Driving anymore. I'm actually kind of bummed, guys. I mean, I really wanted to kind of test the limits of this car a little more, but that car is too low, so I'm not trying to break another front lip. But I mean, this car really is just a little like daily commuter car. You know, I take it to shows and whatnot, but it's definitely nothing to write home about for performance. I hope I didn't break anything. I mean, I don't rub my fenders, but it's probably hitting the fender liner itself, so those are all probably screwed up, but that's kind of expected. I mean, I do like leaving them on, because, you know, I don't like when a bunch of dirt or water gets into my engine bay. It definitely helps keep it clean, but I think we're back on track. I really wish I could push this car more, but also my CVT temp, I'm also watching that closely. Because once you're kind of in manual mode and driving a little hard for too long, it does get pretty hot. It's at around 204 right now, which is, I mean, it's not overheating, but I think at like 225 or something, or 250, it's probably like a lower 200 number. That's when it kind of starts getting problematic, and that's kind of what kills your transmission in these cars. You don't want them to get too hot. Ideally is when it hangs around 180, because that's pretty much, you know, it's nice and hot. It's at operating temperature, you know, it's not too hot. So yeah, MR2 right there, everything's sick. I also need to check if I damaged anything just now. I'm worried about my side skirts, because those things do sit pretty low. Front lip usually can take a pretty good beating, surprisingly, but definitely the side skirts might be a problem. I missed my turn. That's alright, I can take Frederick Street, same thing. CVC, what's out here now? So empty, you guys. It's kind of weird. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but something's been rattling near my brakes or whatever. I think it's a heat shield of some sort. It's been screwing up, but no one's around here though. I'm not sure if I can get a nice spot. Feels so weird being back here, guys. Welcome back to school. So I'm gonna record the GoPro because I don't really feel like changing out my filters on my DSLR, but yeah, looks like nothing got damaged when I hit stuff. I think the wing is still pretty solid. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. This thing's been quite solid. Oh yeah, I added my own merch to my car, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I might try to take some photos with this somehow. I'm not sure. Dang, this car looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Everything kind of tying together. I guess I'll give you guys another hint. The new wheels aren't white, so that might, I'm not sure that might give anything away, but yeah, I think I'm through with white wheels. They do get dirty like super quick. These I just cleaned this morning. They look pretty alright, but you know, once it rains or anything, then that's it. I didn't bother doing the inside barrels today because I figured it's gonna get new wheels soon anyway, so I'm not gonna care too much. But yeah, I'm gonna take some nice photos, attach some of those for you guys. I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know, like I said, I'll be doing these once in a while here, just to update you guys what's going on, anything new. I'll kind of just show some driving clips here and there. You know, I'm not really all about that daily vlog or vlogging lifestyle thing yet. Maybe in the future, but not right now. It's not really my thing. You know, I do like making, you know, car vlogs per se, but just other stuff in general, I don't think it would really be that interesting. But I mean, if you guys really would want that, just let me know. I mean, can't really do much these days, but